To get started with SofTutor, we double-click on SofTutor with the left mouse button. And we'll pause SofTutor. SofTutor will come up and start playing right away. It remembers where you were when you left off. Over here on the top we have books. These are the video books that are included with the product. So if we click on the drop down, it says About SofTutor, Getting Started Learning Everything There Is to Know About the SofTutor Learning System, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. So we choose the product that we want to learn. In this case, we'll use Excel. Then below it we have topics. If we didn't know anything about Excel, we'd start at the beginning and we'd work our way through all of the lessons to learn the fundamentals of Microsoft Excel. Then down here below that we have Find, and if you've used Excel and you just forgot how to do something, you can search for things. I'm going to search for nothing, so I'm going to hit a carriage return, select the Find, hit Enter, and it shows me all of the things that are indexed. Now the beginning here, the indexes with the numbers, that's the whole lesson. But below, if it doesn't start with a number, these are things that are inside of the lessons that are being covered. So in this case, let's search for select. So I want to learn how to select a cell, something simple. If I don't know how to spell select, I could spell S-E-L or S-E. I can search for a subset. We're going to play the whole section here on selecting a cell, so we're going to click on the one that starts with a number, selecting cells, and it's 1.3.2. So I'm going to double click on that. Then I'm going to pause SofTutor. Then I'm going to set SofTutor to stay on top. That'll allow SofTutor to stay on top of Excel. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to double click on Excel. Notice Excel is in the background. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Open, and we're going to open up the corresponding SofTutor example file. Now I'm in lesson 1.3.2. So I'm going to go to My Documents folder, SofTutor example folder, Excel, and I'm going to open up the same one, 1.3.2. Now you don't have to do this, but if you want to learn and you want to start where the instructor starts, you can by opening up the same example file that she starts with. So anyways, now I'm going to play the lesson and I'm going to follow along in Excel at the same time. And one thing I might want to do is resize SofTutor so it takes up less of the screen. Let's give it a try.
Take a look at some techniques on how to select cells. Right now I have cell A2 selected. If I click across from it,
so I can do what she's doing,
B2 selected.
And I can follow along at the same time.
More than one cell, I'll have to use the click and drag technique. Let's say that I want to select A5 to B5. I click in the middle and drag it across to B5.
Okay, see how SofTutor works? All of the lessons in SofTutor are follow along, learn by doing. You don't have to be in the same example file if you don't want to. Like, let's say I forgot how to do a function. I can come here to Find and I can search for function. F-U-N-C is good enough. Find what it is that I want to learn. The FX button. I forgot how to use that.
This FX button here allows you to see a list of all functions.
Okay, that's how you do that. And then she'll explain how that works. But I can use it. I can use SofTutor for quick help after I've learned how to use it, just by searching for different things.